Hello everyone, this is your maths class for today. Students, now we will continue your previous exercise. Okay, so let's start question number 7. A car was bought for rupees 5 lakh and its value depreciated at the rate of 10% per annum. Find its value after 4 years. Okay, that means एक कार है जो 5 लाख रुपीज़ में परचेज की गई है. ओके, एंड स्टूडेंट जो उसकी वैल्यू है वो डेप्रिशिएट करती है किस रेट पर 10% के रेट पर. ओके, सो आपको उसकी वैल्यू बतानी है आफ्टर 4 ईयर्स. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, इज दैट क्लियर? ओके, सो दैट मीन्स दैट इज द प्रिंसिपल हेयर. ओके, प्रिंसिपल that will be P, so that is 5 lakh. Okay, and rate is here, rate that will be small r, so that is 10%, and students time, yes, that will be an 4 year. Okay, okay students, so students, can you tell me what is the formula I should use? Yes, in the question language there are depreciated. Okay, and depreciate का means क्या होता है? Decrease means minus. Okay, so that means we will use the formula A is equal to P into 1 minus R upon 100 raised to the power n. Okay, so here A is equal to P is here, that is 5 lakh. Okay, and 1 minus R that is 10 upon 100 raised to the power n, that means 4. Okay, now this 0 cancel by this 0, so we have amount is equal to 5 lakh. That will be 1 minus 1 upon 10 raised to the power 4. Here amount will be 5 lakh. That is 10 into 1, that is 10 minus 1, that is 9 upon 10 raised to the power 4. Okay, so that will be amount is equal to 5 lakh, and that will be 9 upon 10. 9 upon 10, 9 upon 10 and 9 upon 10. Okay, so these 4 zeros cancel by these. Okay, so we have amount is equal to 50 into 9 into 9 into 9 into 9. Okay, so that means A is equal to, that is 5 into 9, that is 45. Okay, 1 0 here, and that is the cube of 9, that is 729. So what will be here? So that is 3,28,050. Okay, so that is the amount here. Okay, means that is the value after 4 years. Okay, is that clear? Hence its value after 4 years, that will be, yes, 3,28,050. Okay, so that is your answer. Is that clear? Okay, now the next question is question number 8. A plot of land was purchased for rupees 5,62,500 and its cost depreciates every year by 8%. Find its cost after 2 years. Okay, दैट मीन्स एक प्लॉट है जो परचेज किया गया है 5,62,500 रुपीज़ में. ओके, एंड जो उसकी कॉस्ट है स्टूडेंट्स वो डेप्रिशिएट होती है एवरी ईयर 8%. ओके, सो आपको उसकी कॉस्ट बतानी है आफ्टर 2 ईयर्स. इज दैट क्लियर? ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स दैट इज द प्रिंसिपल हेयर. सो प्रिंसिपल that will be 5,62,500. Okay, and students rate is here. Yes, rate will be 8%. Okay, and time will be 2 years. Okay, so students क्वेश्चन की लैंग्वेज में हाँ डेप्रिशिएट है, तो डेप्रिशिएट का मीन्स क्या होता है? रेट ऑफ ग्रोथ विल बी नेगेटिव. सो ए इज इक्वल टू पी इंटू 1 माइनस आर अपॉन 100 raised to the power n. Here A is equal to P is here, that is 5,62,500 into 1 minus R, that will be 8 upon 100 raised to the power n, that means 2. Okay, now we will cut by 4. 4 to the 8, 4 to the 8 and 4 5 is 20. So we have amount is equal to 5,62,500, that is 1 minus 2 upon 25 raised to the power 2. Here amount will be, that will be same here. Okay, that is 25 into 1 25 minus 2 that is 23. So 23 upon 25 raised to the power 2. Here amount will be 5,62,500. So that is 23 upon 25 into 23 upon 25. Okay. Now we will calculate it. Students, 5 5s are 25, that is 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, that is 12, 5 2s are 10, that is 25, 5 5s are 25. Okay, so 2 0 here. Now one more time, 5 2s are 10, that is 12, 5 2s are 10, that is 5 5s are 25. Okay, clear? Okay, one more time, 5 5s are 25, that is 5 4s are 25, 5s are 25 and 2 0 here. Okay, one more time, 5 9s are 45 and 2 0 here. Okay, so we have amount is equal to 900 into 23 into 23. Okay, so amount will be 900 into the square of 23, that will be 529, and amount will be, yes students, after calculating we get 4,76,100. Okay, so that is the amount here. Okay, hence the cost of the plot after 2 years, that will be rupees 4,76,100. So that is your answer. स्टूडेंट्स, अगर क्वेश्चन की लैंग्वेज में डिप्रिशिएट लिखा है सो आप इजीली देख भी लीजिएगा कि जो प्रिंसिपल है उससे जो अमाउंट है वो क्या हो गई, लेस. ओके, मीन्स डेप्रिशिएट हो गई उसकी अमाउंट. ओके, क्लियर? ओके, so students, if you have any doubt in this chapter, so you can comment to me. Okay, so thank you, have a nice day.